Yes, Fun Food Factory, Factory Food. Whoa, it's your boy, Knowledge again, and I'm excited. What do I have today? Today I will be making avocado whip served with sliced roast breadfruit. Yes. All right, so here are my ingredients: rosemary, which is a spice, bird peppers, they call them pickle peppers, Jamaican thyme, Escallion, parsley, chopped long leaf cabbage, and kale, slice roast Jamaican style breadfruit. And last but not least, avocado. So let's let the game begin. All right, so first, I cut out these avocados. Yeah, cutting direct off. Yep. Here goes. Remove seeds. Let me just put this in front of me here. Good. All right. So let me get a spoon. Alright, so I remove areas that are bad. Throw it in a basin. Yeah, in my dish here, whatever you want to call it, dish basin, whatever you want to call it. In Jamaica, we say all mug. Yeah, man. Scooped out and place avocado in there. Alright. Good. Alrighty. Here, remove seeds of avocado. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, me people. I don't know a Fun Food Factory and we're out here, man, having fun with what? Sun food, I promise you. Look in my description there. I promise what I would do with this channel in the start. And I'm being a man of my word, nothing more. This is just a lifestyle. This is what I do on a daily basis. Yeah, I was doing this long before the channel and I say, why not? Why not do it now? And serve some beautiful souls. And that's exactly what me I do right now. Yeah, man, the knowledge, yeah, man. It's your boy Knowledge, man, out here, man, with no fear. Alright, avocado whip. I know you cannot wait. Just let me cut these spears out a little. In two halves, remove seed. Alright, that one is spoiled. Get a piece of this one. Yeah, you know we are in the season of avocado and you know your boy Fun Food Factory, we make use of all the fruits. We don't let them all go to waste and go and buy their fancy fast food. I don't eat food that do the opposite. They say fast food, but these foods allow you to go very slow. So I go for the fast food. These are the fast food. Yes, they have tricked us, right? Yeah, some of us. And some will be tricked, but not forever, because I was there too. No discrimination, right? Yeah. Alright, that is not good. Let me see here. Yeah, and I'll just do the last one. Yeah, because I have enough avocado here. Alright. So I just get a fork, excuse me for a moment, my beautiful soul. And I just crush all these avocado into fine pieces. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Look, they are big, but I get them in small pieces. Just crush them, and it look like butter. And you remember I did that video, avocado butter. If you have not seen it, where I serve it with whole wheat bread, you can go and take a look on it. And now we are doing avocado whip. Alright, so now you see what this look like, right? So it's properly whipped. And then I throw my kale in and my long leaf cabbage chopped properly. Alright, I stir and let it stir in. Alright, that's how it looks. Ah, nice, nice. And then you don't want to use too much parsley, because remember, parsley is pickled. It's also serves as an antiseptic, meaning it get rid of parasites. Yes, this is why it also used as a biological control in agriculture, because naturally this plant repel insects. It's also anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antifungal, antimicrobial. As I said, it's an antiseptic plant. Alright, so I know you're gonna say why I don't use the cutting board, but I'm used to doing this my way. Trust me, if I don't have to use that board, I don't use it. Alright, now I'm gonna use my Escallion. I love Escallion, so I use a lot. Some say this is a lot, but it's not for me. I love the flavor it brings in my taste buds. Alright, I could do this on the cutting board. Watch those fingers. And this is how I cook. Now my people, my foodie and fooders are someone cook you now. I get excited when I make these videos. Very excited. Because I can't wait for videos them done to start nyam. You understand? Because right now some people might go loco and they don't see me dip breadfruit in it yet. And start eating. You understand? Yeah. Alright, so I put these in. All in. Yes. And then I whip again. Alright, so what I do now, I'm gonna put my bird pepper. These pepper are very, very strong, meaning they're hot. But for me, trust me, I'm married to this pepper. Oh, I got this tree, I did not plant it. Bird actually pass their feces with the seed in, and the seeds germinate, and ta-da! I have a bird pepper. This is what my grandfather used in all his soups and everything. I want to use something to hold these peppers because I really don't want to cut them with my fingers. Because these peppers are very dangerous and I love to rub my eyes. I don't know why. And yeah, so I cut these peppers into 3 or 2. Wow, I lose that pepper. I am hungry. My pepper, come back. Come back to me. All right. So I put these in at my bird pepper. Right. And then I put rosemary. Remember, rosemary can be very strong. It's a little bit pickled, so you don't want to use too much. So I'm just breaking a few of the leaves and I'm putting in. Yes. And I have some Jamaican thyme. I'm just going to remove the leaves. I'm going to pull the leaves off and try not to use the stem. So I pull and dust. See? See if I can get more from these. Yeah, I try my best not to use any stem. And there goes. Yes, all leaves are removed. And then I whipped again. You see how that look? Yummy! And the final ingredients for you to see not your food us eat today. Yeah man, the final ingredients. And that is a little pink Himalayan salt. My salt is going, so I remove the top. And I don't want to overdo the salt because it does not have the filter anymore. So I want to make sure I don't put too much in there. So here goes. The salt is in. This is my avocado whip. Alright. So I go here, take up my spoon, and I serve a little right here. Nice. And I get a piece of breadfruit, Jamaican roast breadfruit. And you know it's better to eat your food roast rather than fry. Yes, because I'm now attracted to roast food because roast food increase your alkalinity or the basic part of your body. The opposite of acidic is alkaline. And remember, when your body is alkaline, no bacteria nor microbial organism can survive in the body. Therefore, you stay far away from diseases. So I am gonna taste it right in. Your mouth a run loco for me food? Oh, you better not make it run loco. Mmm. 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 My. Mmm. 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 Foods are information, foods are vibration and frequency. Mmm. 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 My. Mmm. Oh, and one more thing. When I roast the breadfruit, I don't remove the skin because that part is what carries the highest amount of the sulfur from the ash when you burn and it becomes coal, and also the fiber level to prevent constipation and also increase the vitality and energy within the human that consume it. So when they roast breadfruit in Jamaica, majority of the person remove the most healthy parts of the breadfruit, which is the skin. My, I know you're enjoying this and also being edified. So it's called edification. You're edifying someone and also giving them education. Yes, it's great. Fun food, facty food. Why? My. The flavoring, the spices, the rosemary and the thyme, and the parsley. My. Mama mia. This is good. Oh boy, I wish I could invite you to try it. Oh my words, I have to get I have to get another breadfruit. I'm trying me I try to behave like some me I want nice somebody, but me not nice when it come on to them a type of food, yeah. Me will literally chew fist with them and sharp me my shit back and front. My. Wow. And for me, these are finger food. I connect with my food. I make love with my food when I'm having my food. So we don't need fork nor spoon to eat this kind of meal. You understand? Yes, you need to get attached to this food. Mama mia. My. Me can get a little bit more, mommy, please. Yes, boy. Thank you. Mama mia. All right. So, my viewers and subscribers, and if you not subscribe yet, subscribe at this moment. I am coming more with many more videos. My next video will be eating mangoes in the skin, because someone asked if the mango skin can be eaten. I am going to answer with a demonstration or the action. So for this video, like if it suits you, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in the comment section tell me how much you give me for this video out of, can you see that number? 10. So from 1 to 10, how much you give me for this video? Fun food, facty food. Why? Fun food, facty food. Fun food, facty food. Wee! Big up on the rat itself. I know see on the boy knowledge, and I will see you on the next video. Fun food, facty food. Why? Fun food, facty food. Why?